Hello and welcome to the introduction to this Ember course. There are a few things you should know before you take the course. It will help you get a better understanding of the course. So you should have basic knowledge of HTML, also some basic knowledge of CSS, JavaScript, and Node.js. Who should take the course? The course is suitable for beginners, absolute beginners to emberjs, and also to anyone who wants to learn something new. The course is a practical hands-on from start to finish. Let's take a look at some of the things you're going to learn. So we'll start off by setting up our development environment. So you install Node.js. You'll also install Git. You install Ember. We'll learn about the Ember inspector. We'll also install it. You learn about the core concepts of Ember. So you learn about things like a router, routes, templates, models, components, service, helpers, and also actions. The course format is video based. It's approximately 7.5 hours long. Thanks for watching and bye for now.